Welcome to the channel, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, we are going to look at an important privacy setting inside the Picsart app. Many people use Picsart for editing photos and videos, but not everyone knows how to control their personal data. First, open the Picsart app on your phone. Once it loads, look at the top right and tap the three-dot menu. Next, from the menu options, select Settings to open the app's Configuration options. Then, scroll down the Settings menu until you find the option that says Do not sell or share my personal information. Once you see it, tap on that option to move forward. Finally, you will be asked to enter your first name, last name, and your email address. After filling in the required information, press the Submit Request button. This action sends your request to Picsart, ensuring your personal data is better protected. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.